Welcome. Today we'll prove the trigonometric identity that states the sum of 1 over 1 plus sine squared of a plus 1 over 1 plus cosecant squared of a equals 1. Let's begin by recalling a fundamental identity, cosecant squared of a equals 1 over sine squared of a. We'll use this to simplify our second fraction. Now let's substitute this identity into our original equation. The first fraction remains the same, but in the second fraction, we replace cosecant squared of a with 1 over sine squared of a. For the second fraction, let's multiply both numerator and denominator by sine squared of a to eliminate the complex denominator. This gives us sine squared of a over sine squared of a plus 1. Now we can add these fractions. Since they have the same denominator, we simply add the numerators. And here we can see that any number divided by itself equals 1, proving that our original identity is true. Let's review the key steps. First, we recalled that cosecant squared equals 1 over sine squared. Then, we substituted this into our original equation. Next, we multiplied the second fraction by sine squared over sine squared. Finally, we added the fractions and simplified to prove the identity. Remember, you can verify this identity by plugging in specific values for a, but our algebraic proof shows it's true for all values where these expressions are defined. And that concludes our proof of this trigonometric identity. Thank you for watching.